Hey, on this video we are going over question 5 from the test 1 study guide. So this question asks us to use this graph to the left to answer these questions. You're going to find the velocity from 0 to 5 seconds, find the acceleration from 0 to 5 seconds, and then you're asked when is it not moving. So first thing on any of these graphing questions is number 1 is always check what kind of graph you have. So it's going to be labeled. So in this case it's over here, it says position, all right? So with a position graph, to find velocity, you are using slope, all right? So slope is rise over run. All right, so from 0 to 5 seconds, it starts at 0 for the rise and goes up to 10. So your rise is a positive 10 meters. And then your run goes from 0 over to 5, so your run would be 5 seconds. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then your units would be meters per second. So that is your answer to A, is 2 meters per second. For B, you're asked to find acceleration, and you still have that position graph. So this is, in a way, I guess you could technically call it a trick question. So when you have a position graph, think back to the shapes we learned of lines and which one fits for acceleration. All right, it's a curved line. We want a curved line, means it's accelerating. All right, so if you don't have a curve, you have no acceleration. So here we have a diagonal, means we are constant velocity. All right, so since we have a diagonal right here, we have 0 acceleration, all right, or 0 meters per second squared, okay? So you're a smart person, you can say, hey, that's a diagonal line. A diagonal on a position graph means there's no acceleration, okay? I have also not taught you how to find the slope along a curve and on a point on a curve. So I can't even fairly ask you to find it if I gave you a curve. So on the test, if it has a position graph and it asks you acceleration, the answer is gonna be 0 because that's the only thing I can fairly ask you, okay? So, all right, last one, C. During which segment does the object not move? Is it not moving? So on a position graph, think about what shaped line you want for not moving, all right? Which one is it? Hopefully you're saying to yourself, horizontal line. The only horizontal line we've got here is point C, or section C rather. So your answer for C is C, okay? So I hope that clears up question 5 for you, but if you're still not sure, just let me know.